Some of them things are brainwash. We want people to own them own things. Yeah, when you're police, you work for the system and you have to answer to the system. So we don't have to grow with pitting them to turn no police and no soldier. We are training them to come turn business owner. Yeah? And that marker come do. And that marker come do. You have no life in US or Jamaica. God have mercy, look upon people them attack. You know see a mansion me live in the sky. You know see a mansion me live in the sky. We're full. Go in me TikTok and look. Mansion me have big place at Jamaica, me have big place at America. So me and you are no size. Walker or whosoever your name, me and you are no size. Yeah? Me and you are no size. Me just come here and come down to no size because me want to talk to someone. So if you me and you are no size, no tap your so. Because me I talk to the people them they have not. And the people them what me want to have something. Me now come over here and talk to the people them what have already. Me I come talk to the people them. You big long time. Listen, we not talk to people because I guess what, you only have power behind the keyboard. Only power behind the keyboard. See that me have in my bar, me have everything what me want to drink. See it? Me have everything right in so. And out there so me have things out there so on the pool what me want to drink. Yeah? And me not hungry, me have a nice salad there so. Me have a nice salad right there so. When me ready, me go have me salad, right? And when me done, me go make myself a nice drink and me go stretch out. Yeah? So me go can make myself a nice drink. In my fridge when me done, me can go, me just make some beetroot with some carrot and something. Yeah? So you can take your time and go on. You can take your time and go on. Yeah? So me just I tell you, say guess what? We are talking to the people them. We need the people them to have good education in Jamaica. Yeah? You have your prime minister have not built one school. It's a disgrace. It's a disgrace for your prime minister have not built one school in Jamaica. But him a upgrade. And when do is mash up the system because some of them high school, some of them school where in vocational skill, him turn it in a high school. So the youth them no learn no trade. No for the youth them come out. And you can't talk about FinSac because FinSac more labor right benefit. You can't go, the report not come out yet, but some of the readings come out for the FinSac. Yeah? Some of the readings come out. Me wish Lord have mercy. Me say that little mind, somebody, little poor mind. The little poor man one, why you must we even know walking or some crap, walking and by feet. Listen, somehow just come on social media look attention. Me not look no attention. You see me come on social media, they look like me want gift and nothing like that. Me no want nothing from uno, so uno can go on. Yeah, me I talk to the people them want need a little upliftment. Me talk to the people them want need a little upliftment. We tell them about Mark Jefferson Golden and the plans that Mark Jefferson have for Jamaica. Yeah? No one have 28 bank account and have a 28 bank account and you cannot be certified. You cannot be certified. Right? And you should not be on the ballot box. And guess what? Because you see, most of them have no integrity, you have nothing about you. That's why you can't call a spade a spade. If you say you can't call out Andrew, there's no 32, there's no record with 32. But even so, if 32 is there, because Mark, listen, Andrew 28 now have no problem, it's because it cannot be certified. So we're not talking about the amount of account. So when people are talking about account, they are leaders. If they want to have 1,000 bank account, they have 1,000 bank account. Yeah? It's when you're supposed to be certified. Yeah? Your thing's supposed to be certified. How you accumulate your money over time. For you guys information because you don't go to learn, you don't come to learn nothing. How you accumulate your money over time. That's what people want to know. That's what people want to know. Listen, my party come and say education for the people. That's why Andrew get a good education. And the PNP government didn't get good education. You can't tell you no. But guess what? Andrew no believe in education. That's why he can't build up no school. That's why how much pitney don't like a bat you know. They can't pass no GSAT, can't pass nothing. Then cannot. Because guess what? The leader have to believe in the the next generation. And if you me see it, this government not believe in nothing like that. You not believe in the young generation. You believe say, well, I'm not going to prison. Yeah, I'm not going to prison. Because you can give account for your money. But the next man who can chop a line is still going to prison. So what go for the goose, not go for the gander. You know, that life don't go like that. And you have a supreme being that governs the universe. And he not sleep. He might watch how people them are cry. Enough mothers are cry. Enough tears. Remember that. Enough tears. Enough tears upon the government. Enough people have to ban them belly. Enough people have to ban them belly. Enough people have to ban them belly. Yeah. Them have to ban them belly. Under this leader. Either what happened to their family or happened to them kids. Whichever way you want to take it. But guess what? Under Mark Jefferson Golden, we're going to have a better leadership. Somebody that you can sit around the table and have conversation. Not a person to point finger and say you are done. You're bad mind. No. We can't have a government that tell the people them say they're bad mind. No, we don't believe in that. And people them put you there. Jamaican people put you wherever you are. Yeah? And then give you a chance to make the country better. Instead you take the country and run with it. And look out for the poorer class people. Only the rich man. Only the rich man. Only the rich man get richer. All of the rich man then get richer. And the poor man will end up last. Me can't broke. So, me can't bad mind Andrew. Me tell us me can't bad mind Andrew. If you know me, you know me can't bad mind Andrew. Andrew a human being like myself. Andrew don't have nothing different from me. So me can't bad mind Andrew. Me can't a bad mind a person where we have to serve. Him have to serve. We the people give him the authority to run the country. Yeah, we give him the authority to run the country and tell him when he can't run no more. That's how it is. So all of who they run because me able to collect one little money and things say Andrew go win. Andrew now win back. If Andrew listen, you ever ask yourself why your prime minister don't call election? Any of you ever wonder why the prime minister don't call election? Anybody in the chat ever wonder why the prime minister don't call election? Him a winner and him don't call election. Tell me, all you the right is not true. Why would the prime minister, if you the lead and lead well comfortable, why would you not call election? Why would you not call election? Tell me. If you baby sister, if you in a position to win, right? Why would you listen? And you ask the fool, since Uno are the bright people then, Labour right are the bright and PMP are the duns. Right? Turn it around. So Uno are bright somebody. Uno are the bright people. Right? Because Uno are head of the class. So why the Prime Minister is a head of the poor and him sure saying go win and him can't call election? Ask yourself, because that is a stupid question. Me they ask. Why would not call election? Because any leader knows say them a lead. Them all call it. Them all call it because they know. But them realize now say they get caught up. Because Mark lead the poll. Because they realize that Mark lead the poll. So we have about 90 days to be exact now. About 90 days. We have to be exact. So the time I run out. The time running out. So why you not calling election? Because you're scared to lose. Yeah, big man, take your blow, brethren. How are you, man? You don't take no blow with the cup, man. You don't take no blow, man. What you go do? What you go do? Jamaican people know, say. You see, under Zozo and all of them things there, under the leader, Andrew, people suffer. People can't go and work. Enough things, you know, man. Jamaican people feel it. Jamaican people feel it, and them feel the pain. So now is the time when they more exercise them rights. So when you know what up, boy, you run out of lyrics now. It's like me go say me if you choose me house, I not choose go a road. I fool because me know I'm going to choose me house. So when you hear a man how come now, I run out of lyrics and go say choose Jamaica. Oh, Jamaican people will choose Jamaica. And a Jamaica them place. Jamaican people not choose nowhere than Jamaica. Jamaican people long love Jamaica. They not choose nowhere else. So go away with your story. Your slogan already. Go get a different slogan. Choose Jamaica. Oh, me fi choose. Alright. Me fi choose my mother. Me fi choose my mother over my friend. That you tell me choose my friend them over my mother then. What kind of speech that? You can't choose Jamaica. Jamaica is already chosen by the people.